Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Okay guys, so in this video I am going to show you how you can use multiple S Pens. This is very useful if you do not want to take out your new S Pen because you're frightened that you might lose it. However, you do have a secondary S Pen from maybe one of your older Note devices, and you'd much rather use this because you do not want to lose the new S Pen. Okay, so all you have to do is just go into the settings and scroll down to advanced features. Select S Pen, and here you will see allow multiple S Pens. So at the moment, if I try to use this S Pen, it simply does not work. I have to take out this S Pen in order for it to work. But like I says guys, just go into the S Pen settings and turn on allow multiple S Pens, and it explains use other S Pens while your S Pen's inside your phone. However guys, be warned, this may drain your battery. So just go ahead and turn it on, and as you can see now, I can use this S Pen without having to take out my new S Pen. And whenever you want to turn it off, just simply go back into the settings and look for allow multiple S Pens, and you can just turn it back off. Whenever you're ready to turn it back on, just turn it back on. So that's it for the video guys. Hope it helped you out. Very useful tip. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next video. I'm out. Doses.